In this guide, you'll learn how to fix the issue where the Google Play Store is not opening, freezing, or just not working on your Android device. First thing you want to do is restart your phone. To do this, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the full menu. Now click on the power button, then select the option Restart. This can help clear out cache issues and may solve the problem right away. Next thing you want to do is launch your settings. Now head over to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Google Play Store and launch it. Now click on the option Storage, click on Clear Cache, likewise click on Clear Data. With this, Play Store might work. Next up, click on three dots given at the top right. Click on the option Uninstall Updates, confirm by tapping OK. This will remove any recent updates that might have caused the issue, and the Play Store will revert to the factory version. It will reinstall the updates automatically later, but in the meantime, this can allow you to open the Play Store and use it again. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.